Kajabi versus Circle. Two big platforms for building and growing your online community. But which one really help you to engage members and grow your business? If you have been trying to decide, stay with me because by the end of this video, you will know which one is right for you. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make business tools simple and save your time. If that sounds good, subscribe and don't forget to check the description for special deals and the free trials. Now let's jump in. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform. You can create courses, host memberships, and build websites, send emails, and yes, also you can run a community space. It's perfect if you want everything in one place for your business. Other side, Circle is built mainly for communities. Its focus is giving your members a clean, flexible space to connect, post, and join events. If you already have tools for selling or marketing, Circle is great for building an engaged community. Now let's talk about the feature. Kajabi's community tools are simple. You can create group, post, update, and let members comment. It works, but it's more like a bonus feature. Circle is community first. You get spaces, member groups, live streams, events, and branding options. Members usually feel more connected and engaged here. Kajabi also handle courses and coaching well. You can combine content with community to give a learning experience. Circle focuses on community, so you will need extra tools if you want courses or funnels. Kajabi starts at around $71 per month with higher plan for more members and product. It's expensive, but you get all in one platform. Now let's talk about the pricing. Kajabi starts at $89 per month with higher plan and more members and product. It's expensive, but you get an all-in-one platform. And Circle is the similar. It also starts at $89 per month. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Kajabi looks clean because it does a lot. Beginner can feel overwhelmed. And Circle is simpler. It's set up first and navigation is clear. And members can start interacting quickly. Now let's talk about the downside. Kajabi's community is not as strong as Circle. Circle does not replace all the business tools, so you will need the platform for your course or email marketing. Now the verdict is, if your goal is to run a whole business and have a small community, Kajabi is a better choice for you. But if your goal is to build a strong and engaging community, Circle is the winner. So I hope now you understand about the Kajabi community and the Circle. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video.